today, me and
Ronald.
And today we're going to play Guess the Sound Part 4, but logo edition.
Sounds from brands like TikTok, McDonald's, and Netflix.
And more.
We've got 35 fun questions, and you only get 8 seconds for each one.
Oh yeah.
So stay sharp. And now a big shout out to our awesome community. Some of you guys are even featured in this video. Want to see your name?
Okay guys, so that's... I don't...
Alright, let's start the game.
Just...
Here comes the first sound. Which logo do you think makes this sound?
YouTube!
YouTube. That is the YouTube sound.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ronald.
And remember I was saying I didn't know?
Ronald, yeah. Ronald. Stop this. Just leave it alone. Oh.
Too easy. It's YouTube.
Oh, are you doing nothing?
No, I'm gonna draw. Easy. That was easy.
Yeah.
Especially for you.
Listen up. What logo comes to mind when you hear this?
Huh? I forgot.
That's messages.
What? Oh yeah, iMessages?
No.
But it's not there though,
That's
right?
WhatsApp? Your WhatsApp?
I don't know. Apple? Not Apple.
That is definitely
Instagram.
Instagram.
Huh? I never heard that before. Nah,
I don't really know because I don't really keep my notifications on.
Yeah, me too.
I have it like on vibrate.
Yeah, me too. I was like, what the fuck?
Do you recognize that sound?
Twitter, X.
McDonald's.
Oh,
I literally just did that one.
oh yeah, McDonald's. yeah, but it's McDonald's.
No doubt, McDonald's.
Yeah, but how's it I barely know if you hear McDonald's sound, right? You?
They don't really do that anymore.
Keep those
Really
eyes
cool.
sharp.
Yeah.
Where is the burger hiding?
What?
The middle one. The left one. A.
I think A2. Yeah, it sounds really louder. Quiz alien.
And it's B. That was way
I
too easy
actually
for
kind
you.
of knew it was B also, but I'll see from your side because you're not alone.
Identify the brand that this sound belongs to.
Listen.
iPhone.
Yeah, iPhone.
Easy. If we got that wrong, we would be in a lot of trouble.
Who, me?
Because we both have iPhones.
Yep. Except for my iPhone.
That is
Yeah, Apple.
for
Same
sure.
thing, right? Apple, iPhone, same thing. Oh, it says 9:41, Tuesday, September 12th.
Have you ever heard this sound before?
Netflix.
Netflix.
That. Everyone knows this, right? This is like the most obvious thing like in our world, probably. But yeah.
It belongs to Netflix.
Anyway.
I actually like that.
Take a moment and guess
Yeah,
the
me too.
logo.
KFC?
I don't know, guys.
Yeah, but I'm guessing KFC or Wendy's. I don't know.
Amazing.
What?
It's Doritos.
I've never even heard of Doritos song.
Yeah. But why does it sound like that?
Time for a tough choice. Would you rather say goodbye to Doritos or tap that like button?
Say goodbye.
Why?
I'm not giving him a like.
Yeah. Well, I cannot give him a like also because it won't let me. Well, I actually won't
No
like it.
contest. Hit like and save those Doritos. Wow, that sound is iconic. Can you name the brand?
Discord. Yeah, it was Discord. And the stuff is Discord. I'm 100% sure, right? Yeah, this was
Discord
Discord.
is the answer.
Yeah, class.
Good job.
Ronald, chill.
Which
What?
logo makes this sound?
Come on.
Youth?
Yo, TikTok.
TikTok. Yep, that's true. At the end.
Yeah, I'll be, what the?
TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok. Yeah. It has TikTok. Candy Crush. Candy Crush.
Oh yeah, I used to play that.
Oh, you?
You?
Oh yeah. Candy Crush. Yeah.
Wow, I thought I was gonna be better than you at this, but
Yeah.
This one is owned by Candy Crush.
I have a crush on Candy Crush. Actually, it's like 12,000 levels.
Name the logo by its sound.
Huh? Windows?
Disney?
Oh yeah, Disney.
Pixar. It's either Pixar or Disney.
Yeah.
No, it's Disney.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
Because
Disney.
Pixar is the.
Yeah.
That can only be
Wendy's?
Wendy's.
That's fake, right?
Boy!
Boy, shut you. Right. Sorry.
I have never.
It's
heard
a
of that.
that's fake.
Here's
though.
a classic challenge.
Here we go.
Memorize the position of all these logos.
Hello.
BP,
Oh,
ST,
BP.
BPST, BK.
Did you remember everything? So, where is
Huh?
Burger King hiding?
What?
Number 1.
The what? Let's see about that.
Nice work.
Yeah,
There
right.
it is, chilling in position 1.
Yeah, you're right. Good job.
Here's a familiar sound. Can you guess the brand?
Disney.
Disney or Pixar, right?
No, it's Disney.
Oh yeah, Disney. 100% Disney, right?
Say
Yep.
hello to Disney.
Yeah, you're right. Look. Yeah, that's such a classic, right?
I bet you've heard this one before.
Pixar.
Pixar.
I'm pretty sure that's Pixar because of the boing boing noise and it that lamp. Yeah, it's Pixar.
Fantastic.
What? How's it
Pringles.
Pringles? What? It makes no sense, right?
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, me too, though.
Keep on going. You're doing great.
Yeah, I'll see what. Huh? Oh, in Minecraft? Is it Minecraft? Because I heard a song at the end. Hey guys, play along with us.
Definitely
Yeah, that's right.
Minecraft.
You? Yeah, Minecraft. It's obvious.
No,
Yeah, I actually do as Minecraft.
Can you guess which Pokemon logo is the real one? Don't let
I don't
those
know about
tricky
Pokemon.
copies
Me
fool
too.
you.
Yeah, we don't know about Pokemon.
Guys, I don't have Pokemon Farm, but I kind of think it's maybe I don't know. But it's definitely not A, right?
I think it's B or C.
Yeah, or it's A.
Boom!
Yeah, it's C.
You
You're right.
got it. That's the real deal.
I was
Way to
like,
go.
Pokemon was never right, right? Yeah.
Pay close attention and make your best guess.
Listen. 20th Century
20
Fox. 20 Fox. But I said first, right?
That one is a classic. It's
Yeah.
20th Century Fox.
Yep. Look, it's so classic.
How about this one?
Yeah.
No, man. Or Marvel.
It's it's
I'm gonna go with Marvel.
yeah, I think Marvel Super Mario.
That's got
Pizza Hut? How? That's famous. Well, I've never seen a logo before. Sound logo.
Who's ready? Let's hunt for the odd logo.
Bro, look, stop. Okay, can you look for an odd logo? It's gonna be very hard, actually.
It's going too fast.
Oh yeah.
Ding ding ding! You
What?
nailed
What?
it! The odd one is right here.
I wonder whoever got that. But yeah, but
You
the
probably won't even need 8 seconds for this one. It's that easy.
Mario.
Yeah, Mario. So I think we're both correct, right?
I think it's Mario.
It is Mario. Yeah, that's
Super
right.
Mario.
Oh,
Great
yeah.
I
job.
was right.
Me too, right?
Alright.
Don't blame me, Mr. Ronald. Yeah, but it's such a classic too.
Which
right?
logo has that signature sound?
Pixar.
Oh yeah, Pixar.
Remember that it goes like this?
Yeah,
That little lamp?
the. Yeah, Pixar. Pixar, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you're right.
Exactly. It's Pixar.
So I do have a book to go. Yeah. Look. And it also crushes
Hey,
the eye, right?
are you ready for a Pixar challenge? Which
Yeah.
one of these is a Pixar movie?
Inside Out.
Yeah, I think it's an out. Yeah, it's an out. It's an out. Yeah,
And
you're
the
right.
correct answer is A, Inside Out. That's right. So cool, right?
Like key. The line key, get out.
Let's see if you know this one.
Okay. Sounds good though.
Okay, it's not gonna be Chupa Chups.
Yeah.
Lego?
Huh?
Spot on.
What?
It's
What?
KFC.
How is it KFC? That's it, bro.
Thank you.
You know?
Which brand uses this signature sound?
Why is this sounds like Coca Melon? Or something like that. I don't know.
Chupa Chups. High five.
What is the Chupa Chups?
Like lollipop.
But I'm sure I've never heard of it before.
Round 26. Do you recognize this unique sound?
Marvel? Is it Marvel?
Marvel. Or Lego.
Yeah, it's Lego or Marvel. It just be Lays.
Lego.
Yeah, you're right. I was right too, actually. That's the answer. Well, it did. That's what it's gonna be.
Pro challenge unlocked. Can you spot the 3 hidden differences between these photos?
We have no time for that. Windows!
Windows.
Yeah, but it's kind of obvious too, right?
No question about it.
Yep.
It's Windows.
Next one.
Windows.
Yep.
I know you'll guess this one in record time. Are you ready? Let's go.
Sprite.
Coke.
Oh yeah, Coke. Well, I also think Coke, right? Guys, it's Coke. Not Sprite. Oh, what's it?
Awesome. It's
We're right.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
We were right. And Robert, that's awesome. Such a classic.
Do you remember which color?
Okay,
was-
guys. One more, right? One more. What? What was that? Anyways, guys. Yeah, guys. This is the end of the video, okay?
Bye guys, see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye guys, see you.
Bye.